morning, Niger, and welcome to your Health Corner with me, myself, and I, your one and only Dr. Adora, where they carry all the better information where you need to make sure that your body they very, very casual, come drop on for your domot. And the matter where they ground today, like I talked yesterday, now color blindness. We tell you what in this color blindness be. We will explain some of the cells where we get inside our body where they differentiate colors for us. Then on top that one, today now, we won't tell you who and how people they get this color blindness. First and foremost, people where they get color red, green blindness, usually na inheritance. And it occur, when I say inheritance, you get them from your papa or your mama. And it happen for inside 8% of men as opposed to 0.4% of females. And this one now because of the way where the genes for the different cone cells they on top chromosomes. The genes where they lead to red-green color blindness, then they on top the X chromosome. And males, you know say men, they have only one of this X chromosome as opposed to women we get two. So if mom see where they carry the gene for red-green color blindness, one get normal and the other one gets color blindness, she not go get this vision problem. But about 50% of the sons of the women will be carriers. Now them go they color blind. So in other words, what they talk, we say if your mama will get two X chromosome, one of them they correct, the other one can't they color blind. She can't born man, as now she be carrier. She not get the disease, oh, she just be carrier. She will come pass on to her son because if she give under her X chromosome where they color blind, it means say the guy go they color blind. So in any family, it may not be 50% though because of the distribution of the genes, you know. Say they random. So it not mean say if he gets two pikin or one boy, one girl, say the boy must get him, the girl no get him. Not be what I mean by that. If the boy if he dey, if he not get him, if he be the girl, we will go get him. Then a girl child, if he not normally get this red-green color blindness, unless her mama na carrier, then her papa they color blind. But about 50% of the daughters of women will be carriers. Them too could also carry the gene. Only 5% of people where gets this color, where they color blind, gets blue color blindness. Which I mean, be say if they see blue color, they not fit identify them. And this one they equal in males and females because the genes for this one they on a different chromosome. They call this one chromosome 7. Color blindness, if it they due to a change in the chromosome when the baby they form for inside womb, that's not during development. But this one no they know they too inherit them like that. So what will be the problems with this color blindness fit cause? And you would ask me, say, okay, why you can't they tell us about color blindness? Many of the things we they do every day for this life, they rely on us being able to separate things by their color. So if you as person not fit they able to see and differentiate color, and the way you know this color rely on these other differences, if it's difficult for you to do different things, understand? For example, if you as person now, you know they're able to tell red and green traffic lights. You know what thing go happen now? If not be last man will go catch you, you go pay through your nose, you know how far. Because when they show green like this, for your mind, then say stop, you go just suddenly stop. The next thing, somebody from your back will come jam you. In normal daylights, this one, if it's easy to do, but in the dark, and as you understand, normal daylights, you feel just there, you feel differentiate the colors. But when it don't dark like this, if it's hard for you to know which color be which color. Similarly, it may be difficult for you to notice red brake lights on top car. So if you drive and the car for your front just suddenly press brake, you fit think, say, in fact, you know if you see him, if you just go hit the guy. And because of this, if they don't certify you, say you dey color blind, I should say if you dey better country, you're not supposed to drive at all. Because people with this certain kind of red and green color blindness, they're not supposed to give them driver's license. Now here I go back break on top this matter. If you want to hear more on top the different restrictions and the other things we concern this color blindness, I beg, join me, tune in tomorrow, make I send you better gist on top the matter. My name is still Dr. Adora, and this is your Health Corner on top Good Morning Niger show.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.